how we can install Python on our machine. For first step, it's really easy. For first step, you should open the URL that you can see in the video right now. And after that, also I will put this URL in the description for you. After that, here you can see the platforms that Python provided for us and Python support. You can see, for example, Windows, Linux, and macOS here, and which of them you want and which of them you are using, you can install. For example, if I open the Python for the Windows, you can see the releases here. It's better to install a stable release. Find the stable release, and when you tap on that, let's go to Mac because I'm using Mac OS. For example, this version, when I tap on that, it will redirect us to another page that it's showing the release dates and many other things here. And when you scroll down, you can see the files here. You can simply download everything you want. For example, for Mac, I should use this one and download that. For Windows, it depends on what kind of Windows you are using. You can choose one of them and then you can simply download that file, and it's just a simple next, and next. It's not something very hard to use and to install. You can simply download the file, and after that you can simply install the Python on your machine.